Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Barber Enhancements is probably one of the most transformative experiences you can have, completely elevating your haircut from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're aiming for a sleek, modern look or a classic, timeless style, mastering Barber Enhancement techniques can unlock a new level of precision and artistry, allowing you to create hairstyles that are both stylish and uniquely you. From subtle texturizing to bold, statement-making finishes, the possibilities are endless, and the results are guaranteed to impress. Number 5. BOLDIFY Hair Fibers, 12G. Say goodbye to thin, fine hair. These fibers blend seamlessly with your existing hair for a natural, undetectable look. Enjoy a fuller head of hair in seconds. Made from natural ingredients, they bond to your hair, creating a real hair effect. Perfect for covering thinning areas and adding volume. With 14 shades available, finding your perfect match is easy. Not sure which shade? Choose the darker option for a natural look. It's a high-quality product made in an ISO 9001 certified facility, without harsh chemicals or preservatives, all at a great price. Simply shake it onto your hair, pat gently, and you're done. For extra hold, use your favorite hairspray. Washes out easily with shampoo. We're confident you'll love the results. If not, we offer a hassle-free refund. Try it today and rediscover your confidence. What we like. It seamlessly blends with your existing hair for a natural, undetectable finish. With 14 shades available, you're sure to find your perfect match. If you're looking for a high-quality, budget-friendly solution to thinning hair, this is the one for you. What people say. It looks so good without looking like I have product on my hair. So easy to apply and instantly looks fuller. In just a few sprinkles, my hair looks full and natural. It takes less than a minute, sprinkle, run my fingers through, and I'm done. This product makes the translucent hair become white, product color is white. It covers the scalp and makes all the peach fuzz still on the scalp magically turn to visible white. It also adds fullness. Number 4. BOLDIFY Hairline Powder. Tired of constant touch-ups? This powder locks onto your hair, providing all-day coverage that lasts until your next shampoo. It's perfect for covering gray hairs or thinning areas. Matching your roots for scalp coverage is key. For gray coverage or highlights, match the specific strand. Unsure? Choose the darker shade for roots and lighter for highlights for a natural look. Unlike messy sprays, this powder glides on smoothly for undetectable coverage. It's perfect for extending time between salon visits and achieving precise hairline coverage. This compact, mirrored kit makes application easy. Simply dab the powder onto the applicator and enjoy ultimate coverage and confidence, wherever you are. We're confident you'll love the long-lasting coverage. If not, we offer a full refund. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This powder provides long-lasting coverage that lasts until your next shampoo. Its easy application and versatility make it perfect for various needs, from covering roots to enhancing highlights. If you need a quick and easy solution for touch-ups or gray coverage, this is your best bet. What people say. I put this on noon one day, the following day it was still on and I even went to the gym and it stayed on my entire workout and I'm a sweaty one. I really liked how it patched up my bald spots and it really gave me my confidence back. This powder is awesome, it doesn't transfer to clothes or hands. And it does a good job. The pictures are after a full day of touching and running fingers through my hair, still has pretty blended coverage. This is so much better than the L'Oreal hair color spray, which usually leaves a sticky yucky feeling. This powder is amazing. It covers extremely well and I don't know how, because it is a powder, but it stays on. I've had it stay on 3 full days until I've washed my hair again. There's zero buildup feeling too. It's not sticky or tacky, it just looks and feels like natural hair without anything on it. Truly a game changer. Number 3. Striking Viking Beard Filler. Introducing the Striking Viking Beard Filler. It's lightweight and easy to use, helping you achieve a perfectly defined beard line effortlessly. Say goodbye to patchy beards. This upgraded beard pen features a longer-lasting formula and won't dry out easily. The improved fork tip provides precise application for a natural look. The unique four-pronged tip creates lifelike hair strokes that seamlessly blend with your existing beard hair. It looks completely natural. It's sweat-proof and waterproof, ensuring your beard stays perfectly groomed all day long. This long-lasting formula resists smudging and fading. Simply outline your beard, fill in any gaps, and use the included brush to blend for a natural, finished look. It's that simple. This kit includes 2 beard filler pens and a soft bristle brush for easy application and blending. Everything you need for a perfect beard. What we like. It creates natural-looking hair strokes that seamlessly blend with your beard. Its long-lasting, waterproof formula ensures all-day coverage. If you want to easily fill in gaps and define your beard's contour, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It will give your beard a darker and fuller look. I use it primarily for small areas in my beard that don't grow as full as I would like. This product is waterproof and mostly sweat-proof. Easy fix is to lightly wipe your face with a damp towel cloth wipe, brush your beard, reapply, and brush again. The package does have 2 pens and 1 brush, for the price you can't beat that. It does the job, works well. Number 2. Tomb 45 NODRIP Hair Enhancer. Say hello to effortless styling with Tomb 45 NODRIP. It's the ultimate solution for a thicker, fuller look. This innovative spray is water-resistant, ensuring your style stays put all day long. It's perfect for creating a natural-looking hairline. Use it to enhance your beard, creating sharp lines and a well-groomed appearance. It's versatile enough for any styling need. Achieve the thicker, fuller hair you've always wanted. It's easy to apply and delivers natural-looking results. With its water-resistant formula, it withstands sweat and rain, keeping your style intact. No more worrying about touch-ups. It's the perfect addition to your men's grooming routine. It's designed to give you confidence and control over your style. What we like. It offers a water-resistant formula for long-lasting hold and precise application for a natural finish. If you need a precise and long-lasting solution for your hairline or beard, this is the product for you. What people say. Excellent color. Can't even tell the difference between hair and this. Better than most. Needs a better top. Leaked out a few times. Make sure it's tight and closed after use. Make sure you shake well. Because it leaked out unmixed, the color is off. It hasn't clogged my equipment. Dries in a few minutes. I love the product. It's a great enhancement product that make the hair line up crispy and show up. Number 1. Rich Barber Enhance Pro Kit. This styling kit helps you create straight and full hairlines. It includes a texturizing spray, an applicator pump, and an application card for precision. The keratin-infused fibers create an all-day bond with your existing hair, giving you a natural and realistic look and feel. This kit is perfect for both home and professional use. Achieve that fresh from the barbershop look instantly with the volumizing spray. Impress your clients with fuller-looking beards. It conceals hair loss, patches, and grays for a lusher appearance. Get everything you need in one kit, a 25g bottle of hair-building fibers, an applicator pump, and an application card. It's the complete solution for styling. What we like. The keratin-infused fibers create a strong bond with your hair for a natural, long-lasting result. This complete kit provides everything you need for professional-looking results. If you're a professional barber or want salon-quality results at home, this kit is for you. What people say. Very precise and very good quality. Fibers hold for hours, in some cases a day or 2. I use primarily for beard enhancement. If you have thin corners, this thing definitely helps and looks real. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.